Is your charging port on the GXL V2 broken? Well, have no fear. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first we take out our old charging port by just kind of like either breaking it, or if you are able to take the nut off the back, you can pull it off, unplug this, and then take it out. And then you buy a new one. Amazon has one that is this. All you do is you slip it in. Oops. And then slot this from the back. And then put that on really simply. Oops. There you go. You can reinforce it with hot glue so it doesn't move around, and then you just plug these back in. Whoop. And then put this back on, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty simple.